shitted on them. Man, I just shitted on them.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So me being me, I completely forgot to record the intro, but if you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you are coming back, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So I'm using Bold Hold on my hair. As you guys can tell, I didn't do the ball cap method because when I'm doing my own hair, I don't care for it unless I'm getting it professionally installed. I just apply makeup to the cap and the lace, and I'll do about 2 to 3 layers of Bold Hold, and I just go ahead and apply the lace. And I want you guys to know I am not a professional, so if y'all see me doing some crazy shit on my head, mind your business. Over here I was watching a TikTok video, and that's why I reacted like that. I'm gonna post it right after the clip because it was just so funny. I'm like, kids are too much.
This is not Sprite. Open.
What you want me to do?
Bend down. Open. Bend down. Yeah, let me tell you what this is.
That's nasty.
It's pee.
What?
Alright, so I believe this is my second layer of Bold Hold, and I think I only did 2, honestly, and it's the next day right now as I'm recording this, and honestly it didn't last that long, but it's whatever. I just needed it for the video anyways, so yeah. I just want to let y'all know too, before you put the lace down, make sure it's dried clear and it doesn't have white patches like that. Otherwise it's just gonna look a hot mess. But I made it work because that's what I do. And instead of using my hand to push the lace into the glue, I was using the back of the rat tail comb. Well, not the back of the rat tail comb, I was using the actual comb, and it's just doing the do. I'm not even gonna lie, I was struggling. Oh, wait, if you guys hear the fan, like a fan running, it's my laptop. It's a MacBook. You already know how these things are. When you got a bunch of things running on it, it starts making sounds as if it wants to blow up or something. Alright, so I pinned my hair up, and I'm just using one of those elastic bands or wig bands or whatever it's called to tie my lace down, so that way when I'm straightening and doing all of that extra stuff to my hair, it's not budging and it's drying in that one spot that I put it on, if that makes sense. Using the Babyliss Pro something, I don't know what the name is. I'm gonna link everything down in this description box down below because I do not remember what I used in this video. It wasn't a lot of stuff, and I'm just straightening, making sure it's nice. The back was a hot mess, that's why I didn't even bother to show you guys, but the front was cute. That's all that matters, because that's all y'all gonna see. It's giving very much. This hair is very nice. I will link the hair down below, or the name of the company down below so y'all can see. But do y'all see that? Yes. Moment of truth. Ooh. I'm so nervous. I mean, not nervous. Child, anyways, it looked bad, but it's okay, cause you see me bouncing, like, cause I know I got this. I'm gonna make it look cute. So I was just scratching up the lace, trying to get some of the hair that was stuck on the glue off, you know, adding a little bit of extra glue to the parts that didn't stick down. And then, you know, I start playing around with the baby hairs and cutting off all the excess lace that don't need to be there. Just watch me work my magic. Don't y'all just hate when hairstylists are doing your hair with the hot comb and they just be pushing it right into your scalp? Like, bitch, calm down. Okay, I don't know how to do baby hairs, so like I'm just gonna ask you guys, please don't comment on it, because I'm gonna be sad if y'all do. But yeah, I tried. Applying the elastic to secure everything down one last time. And then applying makeup into the part. This part is very important. Please do not skip it. So guys, my hair is all done. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I am digging this. I've never done jet black hair, so this is a look. Like, I'm digging it, like, for real, for real. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit that little bell so you don't ever miss a video from me again, because I plan on dropping a video once a week. So yeah, thank you.
Put your number 2s in the air if you didn't do them.